Hello everyone, we are back again and I am sorry for the little bit interruption. See, now you can see the truck has been lifted by the cranes and it is ready to the load. So this is how we basically load the truck on a trailer. We PRL make a simple solution for loading a truck on a trailer too. We take initiate for for loading a truck and for shipping. So I kindly suggest all my African customers and prospectors to please do like, share and subscribe to our Facebook Live and our Facebook page. And for any queries, feel free to text us in a comment section. Yes, successfully the truck has been placed on a trailer now. See, you can see how the truck is placed. See, now you can see here is a back view for the trailer and the truck as well. So I request all my African customers and the prospectors to please do follow our Facebook pages as well as our social media, all platforms which we basically provide the link. Do follow, like and also share, and don't forget to comment your valuable queries where our sales executives will always be available to answer all your queries. We are the only one company who are manufacturing at a very reasonable, that is at very low cost prices. We are specialized in manufacturing a rig with a night lighting effects, as we have already inaugurated a new factory and now we have speed up our production also, and definitely we will be dispatching a rig very fastly, each and every rig. and this rig is going to be shipped to West Africa. And not only the Facebook, we do also have a social media platforms called Instagram, YouTube, where we regularly updating our production videos as well as the product updates. We request you to kindly do follow our social media platforms and please do subscribe our YouTube channel also. Mr. Mahendra Saini, our rig is at Hyderabad as of now and it is going to be shipped to West Africa. Before loading, we basically test the rig. The testing videos also we have already went live. I hope you all have seen it. See, you can clearly observe here that how we load basically the rods. The good welding. Here is our step. So this is how our entire mounting look like. Mr. Alok Mohanta, thanks for your comment. Mr. Amit, thanks for your comment. Thank you so much. And if you have any queries regarding a rig or a mounting anything, we are here to help you. Our sales executives will be available 24/7 to answer all your queries. We even provide night lightings for the rig, which helps for the drilling during night time. I hope you all like this video of loading. So once again I will be showing another part. Mr. Amir Ahmed, thanks for the comment. For any queries, please feel free to text us, sir. It is a brand new rig. The mounting which we have done is it's an absolutely a brand new one. With a strong mast and wire rope, everything we basically ship a rig after we have gone through n number of testings for each and everything before we finally finally dispatch to the customer. Because our main policy is is always a customer satisfaction. The main motto of our Prime Rigs Limited is to serve all African countries with no scarcity of water, and all people should have a safe and clean drinking water. I hope you all have enjoyed our video, and I request you to please come forward for liking, sharing and commenting. Thank you.